Hey everybody! Oh, come on. My disguise is falling off. Well, I'm gonna go drive my father to the post office because I need to get like driving hours in so I can drive by myself. Whoa, whoa. This is my whip. Pretty sick. But, kind of like walked in, so like, don't know what I'm gonna do. We are here at the place my dad just went in, and yeah, man, driving. But don't think I'm at that point where I can vlog and drive. But yeah, because don't even have a license yet. But I feel like vlogging and driving would be really hard for some reason because you gotta like one hand like holding it and one hand like driving it and like nah, dude. And yeah, that's it. We're here. And I want to say something else, but I forgot. My disguise came off. I had like duct tape on it, but it wasn't staying, so. Oh, and my dad said I should do Twitch and play Rainbow Six because that game is freaking awesome, and I'm actually really good at it. I feel like I'm really good at it, and everyone I play with says I'm good at it, so I might do that with my team, with the bros, in my stream, but I don't think I have the stuff to stream unless we got like new internet kind of recently, so hopefully I can stream from Xbox. But yeah, so maybe I'll stream. Here comes my dad. Dun, 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 dun. Hey look, my dad's got a Twitch shirt on. We are home. Been home for like maybe an hour or 2 hours, and I just watched some YouTube, and I think I'm gonna go clean the car now because it's a mess. So yeah, so I freaking full. This is full. This is full. All that stuff was in the car. So let's go. So I took out the chargers. It's so messy in here, man. So I gotta take that stuff out. Gotta get this thing cleaned. I'm gonna probably vacuum like nasty. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, Luke's cheesy crap. I need a bag for it. It's all in this little pouch. Little backseat pouch. All this stinking
stuff I never give a crap about.
Well, it says this. Luke, your seat was like disgusting compared to mine. There was like stains and stuff like all over it. You had to like wash it. Stinking soap stuff. Boosh. Vacuumed it all. Bum, 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 bum. It's looking so much more clean next weekend. What?
And the binoculars. Story. Oh jeez.
So yeah, next weekend probably gonna wash like the entire inside. But yep. So I guess that's about it. Hope you all had a great Sunday. Not looking forward to school tomorrow, but hey, freaking school. Gotta do it. But yeah, so hope you had a great Sunday, and I'll talk to you all tomorrow. Oh, and I don't know if I said this yet, but we hit 40 subscribers. Our 40 subscribers.
That's nice.
40.
That's great.